Welcome to Cambridge Motors Plumstead, established 1959. Here we have a MGHS 2023 reg. MGHS 2023. Diamond cut alloys, privacy glass, keyless entry, keyless starting. Very, very clean car. Rear parking sensors, rear camera in a nice metallic black colour. Has leather seats here, has mood lighting in here. Well, instruction manuals here. Isofix rear seats as well. Panoramic roof, opening panoramic roof, which is a nice feature. Electronic tailgate. Nice storage area there. Another storage area underneath as well. Electric rear windows as well. 4 electric windows, electric mirrors, electronically adjustable driver's seat. To start the vehicle, push this button here. Foot on the brake, push this, away it starts. 2 USBs, power outlet there. Obviously automatic, as you can see. There's outlets here. See? To make this makes it cold basically. There's a sliding armrest. This will open if you wish. And you can shut the blind if you wish as well. That will shut all the way, obviously. Illuminated vanity mirrors both sides. The vehicle's done 8,338 miles. And low mileage. Heated rear window, heater control. Your vehicle, this is your vehicle here. All your different settings here. MG Pilot, driving and maintenance, convenient and comfort. This is your screen. Android Auto, Apple CarPlay, navigation. Open your tailgate from here. You can change this here with these buttons here if you wish. The different menus there, whatever you wish. Sat nav, obviously accept that. You've got your sat navigation here. Go back to home. There's this button here. This button here. Gives you this screen here. Rear camera, rear parking sensors. Height adjustable driver's column here. Cruise control, speed limiter there, as you can see. You can drive Tiptronically if you wish with these buttons here. Sport mode as well, super sport mode. up here. Different modes, normal, super sport, heater control. Your temperature here, you scroll up and down. You wish. Heated seats, both sides. Fully loaded, this vehicle. Air conditioning, climate control. Telephone button here, volume. To turn the vehicle off, you push this button here. That turns the vehicle off. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to call.